to bring in Pat. He is the General Secretary of Operation Dudula. Pat, we've seen the arrest of Nhlanhla Lux. This is something that we had anticipated when we spoke to you on Wednesday when you were outside the Dobsonville police station.
You remember, Mbali, we said on Wednesday that if ever the warrant of arrest is issued against our leader Nhlanhla, then we will hand ourselves over to police as the leadership of Operation Dudula. So this is what we did yesterday. After hearing that he has been arrested in Johannesburg, then we drove all the way from Pretoria. We didn't sleep, my sister. Then we had a night vigil in Lufrin, so the whole night. And then so now we are here to support our leader. So, you know, we are so disappointed because, you know, our country cannot be dictated to by a minority party who are not in power as yet. So if they want a free Africa, borderless Africa, whatever they call it, so they must be first in the ruling, there must be majority party to can change the acts and everything, our law. They are not above our law. So we are anti-illegal immigrant, and then we are not ashamed of that. Call us xenophobic and see if we care. Even these people that they do have passport and documents that they obtained fraudulently, so Minister of Home Affairs, Mokgalusi, should apply for a court order in terms of Section 19(1) of Citizenship Act to repeal those ID documents that have been fraudulently obtained. So we are tired of these foreigners. We are tired of illegal immigrants. We can't live at the mercy of foreigners. Remember, these people, they can even hijack buildings. We pay rent under their names. They hijacked buildings, and then our poor masses are subjected to muddy places. They are being banked in the shacks at the bank of a dangerous river in Mamelodi, in Soshanguve, in Soweto. So whereas illegal immigrants are enjoying the fruits of the freedom our parents fought for. So we can't allow that.
Okay, Pat, you also spoke about this minority party which opened this case against Nhlanhla Lux, of course, which is Victor Ramerafe. And you're saying that that party is not above the law. But someone would say that as Operation Dudula, you are also not above the law. You are saying that when you conduct these raids in these people's homes, you actually do so alongside the police. But the police say that, well, we don't do that. We are just there to monitor the situation. What is your take on that matter?
No, I don't know. I'm not spokesperson of SAPS. I can't talk on behalf of SAPS.
But the police are saying that they do not conduct these raids alongside you. They are just there to monitor your march. My question is to you, is Operation Dudula above the law? When you do these raids, are you within the confines of the law?
Then another question that I should ask you, my sister. When the police there on Sunday, they were there in the presence of. And then why didn't they arrest him on the spot if they saw he assaulted Victor? Then they were there with us. Then now they're changing their story. They were there with us. Then why they didn't arrest us on the spot if we indeed assault Victor? No, it's very unfair. We are not above the law as Operation Dudula. We are law and order. That's why we always, when we see information, we identify what, like I told you, we go to strict commander to say, this is the information we have. Please follow us, and then we will lead you to where these criminals are. Then if they are reluctant, remember, the police, they are not do us any favor. Then we doing this in accordance with law. According to Section 18(1) of their Police Act, it says, if community, together with their police, they identify any problem, and then they must sit down and jointly find a solution. So a community has spoken, then they went to police, and then this house is selling drugs. And then that's how we operate.
All right, thank you.